Hello everyone! Welcome back! In today's video, I'll be going through how to say different animal names in Yiddish. In Yiddish, there are two different words for animal. One is chaya, which refers to wild animals, and one is behemoth, which is talking about a domestic animal. And so, I'll be listing the animals categorized by chayas and behemoths. Here we go! First off, the behemoths. Ki, cow. Schäfele, sheep. Ziegele, goat. Ox, pferd, horse. Lemmele, lamb. Chazer, pig. Cats, cat. Hindel, chicken. Hint, dog. Hoon, rooster. Katschke, duck. Gans, goose. Camel, whose. Rabbit, mouse. Next, I'll list the chayas, the wild animals. Leib, lion. Malpa, monkey. Feigl, bird. Elephant, an elephant. Tiger, tiger. Giraffe, wolf. Hirsch, deer. Oodler, eagle. Beer, mokash. Squirrel. Bean, bee. Fish, Frosch, frog. Fuchs, fox. Koala, a koala. Cheetah, hippo. Schlang, snake. Chirapach, turtle. Ящерка, lizard. Zebra, zebra. Murishka, ant. That's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Yiddish lessons. Tak voor die dag, lihitraot, tschüss and auf Wiedersehen.